Welcome back to Cultivating Contentment. We are on week 12, day 5, the last day of our study together. And our topic this week has been a new creature. Our scripture verse today comes from Psalm 28:7. The Lord is my strength and shield. I trust him with all my heart. He helps me, and my heart is filled with joy. I burst out in songs of thanksgiving. How cool is that? Like your heart is so filled with joy that you just burst out in songs. Our last quote for our study comes from Lucy Swindoll. Frankly, I love the fact that God has a plan for the future, for every tomorrow of my life on earth and beyond. Even though I can't figure it all out, He's got it wired. This reassures me that I'm loved and safe. Question 9, he who has begun a good work in you will complete it until the day of Jesus Christ. Philemon 1:6. Holding fast to that promise, we can be encouraged by Paul's benediction in 2 Corinthians 13:11. How do Paul's last words here represent a life of contentment? And our last week wrap up. So this week, as you pray, sum up the lessons of this entire guide, reviewing them in your mind and before your Lord. Ask Him to perform the kinds of miracles in your heart you will recognize as His hand in your life. Seek Him in His Word. Watch for His work. Take confidence in knowing you are being changed from glory to glory. And our very last trinket to treasure, as a reminder that we have had a veil removed so that we can be mirrors that brightly reflect the glory of the Lord. Your trinket for this week is a small mirror. As such, we shine as new creatures, having been transformed from the inside out because God is working in our hearts. So I hope that you have enjoyed this 12 weeks as much as I have. It was a nice way for me to make it through this pandemic and have something to look forward to every day. I hope that you have found some contentment in your life throughout these 12 weeks. We started out kind of bleak at the beginning of our study, talking about what contentment doesn't look like, and we worked our way up to living a life of contentment through Jesus. And I hope that you can take that with you, and as our scripture and our quote talked about today, look for those miracles that come, even the small little miracles in our lives that come our way, and just trust and know that that is the Lord working in your life and through your life to help others as well. So have a great 4th of July weekend. Stay safe, stay healthy, and blessings to you and your family. And I will follow up sometime maybe next week about maybe a time that we can meet up. Maybe I know somebody said something about meeting for a picnic somewhere, or we can meet virtually. I'll check back in with you and see what you're up for after this 4th of July weekend is over. So take care, and again, blessings to you and your family. Thank you so much for joining me these 12 weeks.